Hello and welcome to the Village Girls channel. Today I am doing a different kind of video. I am not teaching you Kikuyu. I am going to show you how I do this hair. Yeah, how I do this hair. It's my favorite hair to do because it is so simple and I don't need a sponge. I don't need shampoo. Sometimes I just use menengai soap. Literally, I just use menengai soap. Let me show you the soap. So I use this soap, menengai soap. I'm gonna wash my hair with it. I'm not going to record the process, but you're just gonna have to trust me. I use this soap. I just wash my hair, and then I don't use a sponge to do the rough hair. I don't even use shampoo. Of course, if I'm using this soap, I'm not using shampoo. So I'm not using shampoo, I'm not using conditioner because I love using leave-in conditioner. But when I do, my hair becomes so soft because my hair is really soft. Not really, but it's soft. So I'm gonna use this soap. And then I'm gonna use a towel. So I'll show you that towel that I'm gonna use to roll my hair. Now, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do it. I do so many things here. I love teaching my language. I love doing challenges. I love doing photo shoots. And for the first time, I'm doing this. Yeah, so this soap and a towel to do rough hair. Right now, my hair looks like, should I show you? This. Gosh. Can you see me? It's really bad. Look at that. So the reason my hair looks like this is because I applied gel just the other day. Yeah, here. I used gel to do some nice hair because I was attending a wedding. Now my hair looks like this because I've not gone anywhere in 2 days. So when you find me at home, I will usually look like this. So those guys who say with makeup and without makeup, this is the perfect example. Anyways, see you as or after I have washed my hair right here. Hi, I am back. Yeah, this is how I look after a shower. Damn, I always feel good when I wash my hair. It is really refreshing. And also I steamed my face, so damn, I feel so good. Now here's the face towel. Sorry, my hair is dripping water. Now this is the face towel and this is what I'm going to use. It is wet, it's not dry, it's wet, but I'm sure it's going to also dry my hair. So I'm gonna dry my hair and I use circular motion. So let's start. I do this. Well, as you can see, that was really simple. So I'm gonna do my makeup and my edges, and then I'll show you how I look because I am going to town. It's at 11 a.m. so I thought, why not do this when I'm actually doing it, when it's actual, not when I just want to do a video. So I'm doing it because I am going out. So this is how I ended up looking like. I'm not sure if you like it, because I love it. This hair, I always do this hair. I do this hair so many times because I hate doing my hair. But then I don't like doing my hair. I just wish there was a way one could just wake up and go wherever you want to go without doing your hair. Because when I do my hair, I always love doing cornrows, but they only take a week and then I have to remove them. So it's so annoying because I waste a lot of money on my hair and I feel like it does not grow. So I actually prefer this hair more than doing cornrows. So in the future, I'm gonna buy wigs and then I'm gonna just let my hair be, because if I feel like because I do my hair almost weekly when I do, so I feel like that's why it does not grow. So I think this is better. This is better for wherever I want to go. So I just wake up, wash it, and then do that with a towel or a sponge. Sometimes of course I have a sponge, but there's an easier way. So this is how I end up looking like. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, share if you like it, and see you on the next video. Bye.